Hi everybody, we're going to look today at Napper's method. Now this is the last method that we want to look at in terms of finding the area of irregular shapes. Now simply all you do with Napper's method is you set up an angle. So for this particular case I think we've set this up at 15 degrees. Right? So what you do is you make triangles around here. So you will start with a centre point and then using a protractor just marking out increments of 15 degrees, and you just draw your lines to the edge of the circle. So what we've now got, if you do that, if you did 360 divided by 15, we have 24 triangles that we can actually work the area out. Right, so if we just scroll down and have a look at one of these triangles in particular, so if you look at the area for this particular triangle, that blue bit is where the normal triangle would be, and so what we're saying is this is a reasonably good estimate of the actual area of a triangle, and so therefore we're going to get a reasonably good estimate of the area of the irregular shape. So just want to talk about the idea of using what we call an average. This is, let's say if this is our R1, our average radius for this particular thing would be equal to 3.6 plus, 3.2 plus 3.6, or divide that by 2. That would be then equal to 3.4. Right, so in my particular formula, right, the formula for working the area out is the angle that we set that. Now we don't have to set it at 15 degrees, we can make it 20 degrees, or we can make it 5 degrees. Obviously you have to keep it manageable in terms of the actual sides that you've got there. So if we had it at 15 degrees, then my area would be equal to 15 divided by 360 times by pi, and then we'd have our R1, which would be 3.4. We'd square that. Then we'd do the same process for the next triangle. So if we were going clockwise, that would be 3.6 plus 3.8, so halfway between that would be, going anti-clockwise would be 3.7. So the next one would be plus 3.7 squared plus, and the next one will be 3.8 plus 3.8, so therefore the average of that is 3.8. And you just keep following that process until you get all the way around the shape. Alright, so that's pretty simple method, and it's quite accurate, so it's not a bad one to try when you're actually looking at doing your different methods for your investigation. So that's certainly one that I'd be certainly considering if I was going to be doing that. Anyway, good luck with those questions. Now they are in your textbook. The other option you can do for that, just to show off your higher level skills, there is in fact a spreadsheet that you can actually use for that. So if I just scroll across, okay, in your textbook there is a spreadsheet that goes through, right, does your average radius, you square that, then you add all those up and you can times by the thing. So if you want me to help you set that spreadsheet up, I'm more than happy to do that. I'll talk to you in class, and good luck with those questions.